Well, welcome back, beautiful, amazing hikers. We're here at Bruser's Knob, and these are the carins. No, not the liberal carins that fuck with you. They are stone carins. Quite a few of them. Nobody's exactly sure why they were built or what they're supposed to be. Some people think they're burial sites. Some people think they were built to store apples. They're just something with people who just needed something to do. Well, the trekking bolt suspension system is working pretty good, as you can see. Oh, there's another one. A lot of them had been reduced to almost nothing, but... And yellow jackets love to live in these things. I got stung while I was smoking. I think that's most of them, if not all of them. Quite a few of them out here. Excuse me, sorry. Another one. All right. And another one. Maybe they're just people nice enough to get the rocks off the trail for us. Well, whatever the reason, they have my thanks. There's another one. They're having a competition to see who could build the biggest cairn. Holy smokes. Exactly what we hiked 690 miles for. See a bunch of piles of rocks. So they could perplex my better judgment. The heck? Yeah, I guess if it was just one or two, it'd be like, well, yeah, so what? But when there's like nearly 20 of them. Yeah. I think that's the end of it. All right. Catch you in the next one.